Hi guys, how to download CapCut on PC. Windows step by step. So let's get started. Now, open the Start menu on your Windows computer. This is where most people accidentally click the wrong result, so type carefully. Search for the Microsoft Store and hit Enter. Once the Microsoft Store opens, click the search bar at the top, type CapCut, and press Enter. Make sure you are selecting the official app, not a random third-party version. Click the first CapCut result, then hit the big Install button. Here is the secret. The download speed depends on your Microsoft Store settings, so keep watching to see what to do if it gets stuck. After installation finishes, close the store. You'll find a CapCut shortcut on your desktop, or you can search for it in the Start menu. If it doesn't appear right away, don't panic. Just give it a few seconds. Open the app. On the first launch, CapCut will run a quick system test. Wait a few seconds, then click Confirm to finish setup. Hit subscribe for more editing tips so you don't miss the next video on CapCut's hidden features.